This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Almog. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms condo unit in a gated community. Investor friendly, split floor plan, ceramic and wood flooring. Washer and dryer in the unit. Walk-in closet, central air conditioner, screened-in patio and storage. Monthly maintenance covers for water, cable, high-speed internet, pest control, on-site management, security guard, insurance for building structure, roof and all common areas. Community offers the following amenities: clubhouse, tennis, 2 swimming pools, hot tub, fitness room, car wash and amp, barbecue area. For more information, review the details below.